Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again with more information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now first things first, I got information that a teacher from within the country of Jamaica had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica and is on buggery charge. Allegedly, it is said that the teacher was involved in sexual activities with male students. Now, according to a news article that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that the teacher is a male and that he is 24-year-old and that he has been charged by the St. Ann CIB with 1 count of buggery, indecent assault, and grievous sexual assault. It is reported that the male teacher got involved in a relationship with a 15-year-old male student from a school that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not want to give any names pertaining to the school or any information about the name of the school, viewers and subscribers, for certain reasons. Alright? Now I want you to listen to these words carefully from a news article that I read. Alright? Now, the news article said that it is alleged that another minor, the male student, and the male teacher met up in a hotel room in Ocho Rios and indulged in sexual activities. So, my viewers and subscribers, see, it is said that a parent of one of the male students suspected what was going on and trailed the student and discovered that certain things was going on. You see me? I don't really want to say certain things like bold out like that, viewers and subscribers, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. Alright? See? Now, another part of the news article also said that the male teacher was arrested last Thursday and taken into police custody following complaints by the student. The news article said the student, See? Now, when it comes on to the law within the country of Jamaica, a person under the age of 16 cannot legally engage in sexual activities. No. See? Now, in my words, I got the understanding that a news article said that a police source said that when a male adult have sexual intercourse with a male who is a minor, the male adult will not be charged with carnal abuse because sex between two males is not recognized as sex under the law. So in such cases, the police within the country of Jamaica are forced to charge the accused with buggery. The news article also said that Section 76 of the Offences Against the Person Act criminalizes buggery between men with a penalty of up to 10 years imprisonment, with or without labor. The news article also said other things as well, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, man. The news article also said that the lawyer for the teacher or an attorney for the teacher claims that conspiracy led to the teacher being charged with buggery. You understand? Yeah. See me I say. See? Yeah, man. Another part of the news article said that the attorney for the teacher or the lawyer for the accused told a preceding judge that it was clear by text messages that the complainant continued to message the teacher and offered him certain things. Certain things. So I say, my people, look, me just give information according to I got information for subscribers. You understand me? And a real this was situation. I look away, it look bad, it look horrible in my point of view. See me I say? But you can tell me what to think about the things that I told in this video, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a 2-year-old boy from within the parish of Clarendon, that's within the country of Jamaica, went missing. According to a news article that I read, I got the understanding that the news article said that the child was last seen on Thursday. That would be the 12th of May, the year 2022. I also got information that the police within the country of Jamaica confirmed that a report was made to the police within the country of Jamaica about the missing 2-year-old boy. It is said that the child was last seen wearing a yellow t-shirt, gray shorts, and navy slippers. The police within the country of Jamaica also made a post on social media about the missing 2-year-old child. Now, in my words, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that a news article said that the mother of the child said that on the day when the child went missing, she gave him a bath, and sometime after 3 p.m., he went next door to neighbor's house to play. The news article said that the mother of the child said that her mind ran on him and she went to get him something to eat and nobody saw him. The news article also said that the mother said that we searched all about. Now, here's a part of the news article that I found really interesting, viewers and subscribers, when I read this part of the news article. See? Now, in my words, I got the understanding that the news article said that the mother of the child said that a man who was on his way from work and who also saw a photo of her son told her that he saw the child in the front of a Toyota Pro-Box motorcar in the vicinity of where the mother lives. And that place is said to be a place that is known as Rasta Corner in Freetown, that's within the parish of Clarendon, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, my people, you tell me if that no sound a certain way to you. That sound a certain way to my people. I tell you straight up and down, you understand? And I hope say them do some real investigation on this whole situation, you understand? Alright, so to my knowledge, there's a picture that had been posted on social media by the Jamaica Constabulary Force that shows the missing 2-year-old child, viewers and subscribers. And if anyone have any information that can help to locate the missing 2-year-old child, call the police immediately. Alright? Anyways, just I give information according to where I got information, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I guess I'm not gonna leave it now. So big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.